Good day everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. On today's video, I'm going to talk about how to disable YourPhone.exe from the task manager and also how to uninstall it if you don't require on your Windows machine. Now, without any further delays, let's get started. Now, if you open your task manager, you might see your phone.exe is taking a lot of memory and also taking a lot of processes. Now this is nothing but making your computer slow down. Now in order to disable that, there are a couple of things which you can do. Now first and foremost, what you will have to do is you will have to do a right click on the start menu, go to settings. Once you are on the settings, you will have to go to privacy. Under privacy, you will have to scroll down on the left hand side and click on background apps. Now these are all the apps, if you look at this window, these are all the background apps or the apps which are running in the background. Now here you can go ahead and disable whichever apps you desire. Now since we are looking at YourPhone.exe, your phone app, we are going to disable this app to run in the background. So what you will have to do is you will have to scroll down in the background app sections on the right hand side, select your phone and click on off. Now once you turn off and if you go to the task manager, your phone.exe app will not be running likely on your computer. It would show that it has been suspended. So in case if you don't want this app to be if you look at here, it says that it has been suspended. Now in case if you don't want your phone app to be there on your computer, there is an option to uninstall it. What you will have to do is you will have to click on the search. In the search box, you will have to type PowerShell.exe, do a right click on it, click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access prompt, you may click on yes and paste this command line. I will also paste this command line in the video description so that you can copy and paste it from the video description. Copy this command line and hit enter. What this will do is this will uninstall the YourPhone app from your computer forever. Now this will disable YourPhone.exe and the app completely from your computer. Hope you have liked this video. In case if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great